Okay, in this question, we find that firms believe a recession is near or very likely. And in situations like that where people are pessimistic, we know that people prepare for bad news in the future by acting as if it's already happened, which is going to cause aggregate demand to shift to the left. And so we're going to go from a situation of long-run equilibrium at potential output to a total output that's less than potential, which creates a recessionary gap. And so the federal government, or the government in general, looking to shift aggregate demand to the right, needs to find a way to do one of three things. They either want to decrease taxes for citizens because that frees up money for consumption. They could increase government spending, which would help stimulate aggregate demand, shifting it to the right. Or they could increase transfer payments, that is, give more money to people on things like Social Security or Medicare. They could spend more, their consumption would rise, and aggregate demand would shift to the right. It's important to also remember that when the government makes tax decisions in particular, or spending decisions, those are independent. So the government can actually tax less and spend more, and just run a budget deficit. So don't feel limited in thinking that if they cut taxes that the government can't also increase spending at the same time. Those two levers operate independently.